Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to Google Classroom. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working, you can go to Play Store. If you will find in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your